Today I'm gonna teach you how to adjust the cells in Excel. As you can see that the words I have written here are cut down by the words in these cells. So I'm gonna teach you today the two methods to adjust the cell. First one is the wrap text and the second one is the auto fit. I will teach you by both methods through manual and also I will tell you their shortcuts. First we will move towards the wrap text. We can wrap these texts by just clicking on the cell and then I will press the wrap text option here in the home tab. So as I have entered the wrap text, you can see that the cell is adjusted upside down. Now I'm going to teach you the shortcut to wrap text without moving here and pressing it. So the shortcut to wrap text without any manual method is I will just go on this cell and then I will press Alt H W. As soon as I will press the Alt H W, you can see that the cell is wrapped within just 1 second. So the shortcut to wrap the text without any manual method is Alt H and then I will press W. Now I'm moving towards the next part. The next part is I will teach you how to autofit the cells. As you can see that the cell is not adjusted. I will adjust these cells through autofit method. I will go to the format tab and then I will press autofit column width. So you can see that as soon as I have go there and pressed autofit column width, the cell is adjusted automatically. Now I will teach you the shortcut to autofill cells without any manual method. So the shortcut to autofill cells without any manual method is I will just go into the cell and then I will press Alt H O I. So the cell is adjusted automatically. So the shortcut to autofill the cell is Alt H O and then I. Thank you for watching. In the next part, I will teach you how to apply the coding of the sheet. Thank you.